Hey, this is Greg Shields, and you found the next course in this learning path on implementing mobile device management with Microsoft Intune for Windows, iOS, and Android devices. I am author evangelist and a full-time author here at Pluralsight, and I've been working with device management solutions since the days devices were all just desktops. While Microsoft's Intune platform can offer a broad range of services for devices, both corporate-owned and personally owned, you've first got to get those devices enrolled. What might surprise you are the many different ways this step in the process can be completed, some more manual and click by click, while others are exceptionally automated. In this course, you'll explore almost the entire range of use cases for enrolling Windows 10, iOS, and Android devices into Microsoft Intune. First, you'll explore the options for Windows 10 machines, those both inside the LAN, as well as those that never enter your company's front door. Then, you'll explore the special use case of Windows Autopilot, where drop shipping a Windows 10 machine to a user straight from the manufacturer also includes its automated enrollment. Next, you'll explore enrollment for iOS devices and the integration with Apple Business Manager. Finally, you'll dig into Android enrollment across both work profiles and enterprise fully managed scenarios. By the end of this course, you'll be familiar with the largest share of the many different options you have available for enrolling your devices into Microsoft Intune. If you've just been tasked with installing and configuring a Microsoft Intune deployment in your organization, this course is your next stop in brushing up on those skills for success. And then from here, you'll be ready to continue on the learning path as you configure and protect devices and deploy apps with Microsoft Intune. Let's get started.